Hey, how's it going, Kate? My name is Devin Norton. I spoke to Misty a little earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to show you 3 easy things you can do on your website so you can start bringing in more customers right away. You're probably wondering why I'm even making this video for you. It's really simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time taking care of their customers, but they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found that giving these free attack plans away for free, a lot of these business owners end up calling me back saying, you know what, Devin, I like you. Can you just do this stuff for me? Whatever you want to do with this information is okay with me. I just ask you give me some feedback at the end to let me know what you thought about the video. I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. Now, your website's a beautiful website. This photo is obviously a professionally taken photo. It looks awesome, displays all your vans. It's a very sleek looking website. From a design point of view, you did a great job. What Google cares about mostly is this stuff right here, this content that you can read. They want to see at least 2,000 words of content on your homepage, and if I look at how many you currently have 672. So you're going to want to get that up to 2,000. Your main competitor is Precision Heat and AC, and if you go look at what they're sitting at right now, they currently have 1,232. So a little over double what you have, or right around double what you have. So it's one of the big reasons they're outranking you. By getting yourself to that 2,000 word mark, you're going to blow them out of the water. You also want to make sure you have keywords within your text. So like one of the really big keywords in the area is AC Repair Austin. About 350 people search for this every single month. And so you want to have that on your page. And if I type in AC Repair Austin, you don't have that anywhere on your page. So you want to put that on there like 2 or 3 times. So that's tip number 1. Now tip number 2 is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And this is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of other websites vouching for you. Keep in mind though, you do want to see a bunch of relevant links, which means, or they do want to see relevant links, which means that you want to make sure you have other like HVAC companies linking to you versus like having Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It does cost about $1,000 a month. You don't have to use it. There are free tools out there that give you this kind of information. I just use it because it brings it all together. But it says you guys have been doing SEO for a little while now, and you currently have 125 websites linking to you, which is a great start. Beating Precision is really not that far away. They only have 328, about 200 more websites than you. What I would do is, if these domains are working to rank them, they'll work to rank you too. So might as well just go copy all of them. Go visit all these websites, create profiles with them, and in your profile you can put a link from the profile to your website. On top of that, some of them you may just have to click the contact us button and ask them about it, and there's other ones where you may have to pay for them. But whatever they did to get up there, if you just copy all those links, you're going to rank too the same way. And just by following those 2 tips, that's how you rank organically. There's 3 spots you can show up on Google's homepage. You can show up on the ads. You just have to pay. You have to bid higher than your competitors to show up at the top. You can also show up organically down here, but the last place you can show up is in the Google My Business section, which is the best place to show up. It's where the most traffic goes, and you can get there for free. You just need to have more citations than your competitors, and a citation is anywhere where your full name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories, such as like Yelp and Yellow Pages and stuff like that. What I'd recommend for you to do is put yourself in more directories than Austin AC Repair and Heating. So if they're in 150 directories, I would put myself in like 250, if not 300. And that's all I've got for you, Kate. I hope you found this really informative and helpful. I try to keep it short and sweet. As a quick recap, you're going to want 2,000 words on your home page, and you want all those, and you want to have keywords within those 2,000 words. You also want to get probably a total of about 350 to 375 websites linking to you, and then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than these guys. And if you implement these 3 tips today, you can be number 1 across Google. So if you're wondering what you should do now, I recommend you take this information and apply it immediately and just start making a lot more money. If you don't want to do this stuff and you want someone else to help you out with it, give me a call and I'll see if I can help you. And if I can't help you, I'll at least put you in the right direction. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks, Kate. Bye.